Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Design Basics. In this video, I will explain how to edit video using Audacity. This Audacity is open source cross-platform audio software which is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and you can use it for editing your audio by separating audio from the video. So first of all, you can download on your laptop based on its operating system from here, and after downloading you can open it. Let us have some quick tutorial on Audacity. Here you have file option. In that you can open new file, open any previous file. Here you can export in MP3, WAV or any audio file form, and here you can import any raw data or audio files. So suppose you have recorded your video and audio is along with video, you can separate the audio, bring it here, import here or open in this Audacity, and then you can start editing it. I will show you by recording small audio with noise and then how to edit it. So let us record. For recording we can go here, and before that you can check the microphone. So I can change the microphone as per my choice. Then we have this microphone sensitivity. So based on your choice you can change the sensitivity of microphone, and this is the output volume of that. Now click on this record button and start speaking. So I am speaking, hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn how to edit audio in Audacity. Then you can stop it here. So let us play it from the starting and listen how it sounds. And start speaking. So I am speaking, hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn how to edit audio in. Now I will remove the noise from here. So to remove the noise we have to select the noise profile. So this is actually noise profile. This portion is noise. So you can keep some silent portion at the starting of video or at the end of video, and using that noise profile we can reduce noise for entire audio. So first of all I will select this portion. When it is white color means it is selected. Go to effect and noise reduction, click on that and hit get noise profile. So it will read noise profile from here. Now next step is select full audio. For that you can do Ctrl A or just click outside this. So in gray area if you click, the entire audio is selected. The another way of selecting is Ctrl A, go to effect, again go to the noise reduction, and whatever is the setting is there, leave as it is and click OK. And now listen the voice again and start speaking. So I am speaking, hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn how to edit. So we can observe that the noise had been considerably reduced wherever noise were there. Right now my fan is operating at 3. Even if we increase the speed of fan, that noise can be cancelled using this. Suppose it is not cancelling in first attempt, you can go for doing it in second attempt by again selecting it, the noise profile. Still we can be able to see there are some noise. Go to effect again and click on noise reduction and click on get noise profile. So now the new noise profile has been taken. Now select full audio, Ctrl A, then go to effect and click on noise reduction and click OK again. So now we can see the entire noise has gone and you can listen the audio and start speaking. So I am speaking. Hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn. So you can observe that the noise has been completely removed. Next part is to change the voice. You can give some bass in this, bass and treble. For that, select the entire audio, go to effect. Then you have filter curve here. Click on filter curve. Click on manage, factory preset. Then you have bass boost, and here we have treble boost. So first we will give bass boost. Click OK. Then again we will go to the effect, filter curve, manage, factory preset. Now we will give treble boost. And let us listen it again. And start speaking. So I am speaking. Hello, welcome to audio editing software session. So you can feel that the audio has been considerably enhanced. And next step is go to effect and click on normalize. If you click on normalize, here some normalize amplitude value will be there. Leave it as default value. Click OK. So now it is normalized. And if you play, you can listen in better voice. Let us listen it and start speaking. So I am speaking. Hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn how to edit audio in Audacity. If you want to improve further, you can go for bass boost again. If it is a male voice, you can go for bass boost again 1 or 2 times more. If you give, the voice will be even better and heavy. So let's see it. Filter curve, manage, factory preset and bass boost. Okay. Then again we will go to the filter curve, manage, factory preset and bass boost. Click OK. Now you can listen and start speaking. So I am speaking. Hello, welcome to audio editing software session. Here we will learn how to edit. Now let us remove some unwanted audio. If you want to remove that unwanted audio, you can just select that portion. Suppose I want to remove this portion. So this portion I want to remove. I can just select this like this and put Ctrl X. And now listen it again. So I am speaking. Hello, welcome to audio editing software session. So this way you can edit your audio, and finally you export it in export as WAV, which will be very useful when you bring back the audio with your video. Remember, if you are editing only audio by taking it out from video, you should not cut any portion of the audio, which will mismatch the synchronization of audio and video. So if any editing is required, you do it in audio as well as in video. So let us export it as WAV. You can name this, paste and save it. You can add artist name, track title. I am leaving blank, and this will be exported, and then you can take that audio and import into your video, combine them together to get the better audio quality. I hope this video will help you in understanding the audio editing. Thank you.